This is not me. I've not been feeding well. I've not been feeding well. I've not been eating. And someone like me that doesn't like taking drugs. Like at least if I'm strong, I can even manage to take drugs. But when the sickness strikes, to take that drugs is always is a battle. It's a battle. Like it's a battle. But I just thank God. I'm grateful that today is a little bit more okay. And the worst part is that when you're on the bed, you're not doing anything, it becomes worse. You understand? So this morning I just decided to walk around because I think I have some few energies. Yes, I have some few energies because I think even yesterday, self, I wasn't even able to talk. I wasn't even able to talk. You understand? But today I think in fact I'm well. I'm well. I'm fine. I'm a believer. I'm well, I'm fine. Let me not say I'm better. Yes, I'm better. I'm very much okay. I'm better. I'm better. Yes. So there's a lot I think I should do today. Well, I don't think I'll finish everything because my room is on a mess. My room is on a mess. Let me just turn the back camera and just show you guys a little view of my room. I may not really show you everywhere. I'll just show you the bed because I can't take you to my wardrobe or even the floor because you're going to say, "What the hell?" On a normal day, I'm not like this. I'm a neat person. I am a neat person. Even sometimes when I get sick, it's not like this, but this one, I don't know. This one, I don't know. I don't know. That the shakara way this one carry come. I don't know. So guys, like see how I'm looking. See my hair. I was supposed to take off this hair 3 days ago, but life happens. So life happens. So maybe by weekend, maybe by weekend I'll do it. Cause normally I weave, I do all back, so I can use it to wear wig. But most of the times I wear wig because I don't know. Before I braid, like to sit down for 3 to 4 hours to braid, it takes time for me to like decide to do that. And if I eventually do, I carry the hair for a very long time. Well, maybe probably for weeks. Yeah. So please don't judge me. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. You should be happy for me because if you've seen me like few days back, you gonna say your girl really went through a lot. But we thank God shall we here. Now maybe this. Well, I don't cut me on fresh this time around. I don't think I've ever been caught on fresh on my videos, but this time around, when I don't cut me on fresh, oh, but it's not so bad. It's not so bad, but we're going. Okay, guys, let me just show you my bed. Just take a little view of my bed. I'm just viewing like, should I do this? Because everywhere just messed up. And also, like, my sister wanted to help me to arrange this bed. Oh. Like yesterday, I was like, leave it. I like it like that. I don't know. Without rolling, sometimes when you're sick, you start craving for things that doesn't make sense. You start craving for things that doesn't make sense. I don't know. As I'm talking now, I'm getting more energy. Yeah, guys, I'm getting more energy. Like, I'm getting more energy. I'm just being everywhere. Should I show? I should just mind my own business. Don't judge me. Let me still show you guys because I don't know. On a normal day, I'm not like this. I'm not like this. I'm a neat person. But this just happened. I've not been to work. Yeah. I've not been to work. My sickness no good. Oh. I've not been feeding well. Even a slice of bread, I can't even finish I just have to manage to eat. I can take drugs and stuff. So I just thank God that I'm a little bit more, but I'm better. Like I said, I'm better. Better. So guys, let me just view a little. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay. So guys, this is it too. See my bed, slay queen. Slay queen. See how it's looking like. This is the cardigan I've been, my hoodie. Why they use cover code? Like seriously, guys. My purse is even here. This is the drugs so I've been struggling to take. Yeah, I don't like taking drugs, so I don't know. If you see me taking drugs, you look at me like one baby like that. My everywhere is just messed up. I can't even show the other parts. If I should show my wardrobe area, you guys are going to be like, what the hell? What the hell? Please don't judge me. Like, you should be thankful. Like, you should thank God for me that I'm making this video. You should thank God for me that I'm making this video, because it's a testimony. It's a testimony. Like, few nights, I know what I battled. So making this video shows that your favorite content creator is strong and well. He's strong and well. So guys, this is it. So, but with this energy that I'm having now, with this energy that I just have now, I'm going to dress this room up. Trust me, I'm not a dirty girl. I'm going to dress this place. I'm going to dress it up now. So let me quickly do that before I'll go and look for something to eat and take my drugs. Because on a normal basis, if I wake up, I dress my bed. You understand? Dress my bed, sweep, take my bath and prepare for work. So this one is not like you go to work and come back and start dressing. No, I wake up, dress my bed, sweep, then um then go to work and come back. So I'm not a dirty girl. Yeah, I'm not a dirty girl. So let me quickly do this. With this energy that I have now, I think I can. Yeah, let me do that. Watch me do that. And where will I place my camera right now to do this? If I didn't see a better position to place this camera, that means see you guys. So guys, I'm done arranging. Hope I did a great job. Yeah, so the next thing now is for me to look for food, eat, then take my medication and see what today holds for me. Hopefully, as I believe and had faith, I'll be strong. Yeah. So guys, I just made tea now because past few days this is what I've been taking. On normal days my tea used to be thick. Yeah. Though I like taking tea, but this one has to be light to enable me take my drugs and stuff. Because I normally use warm water to take excuse me. normally use warm water to take my drugs. I don't like taking drugs. And after this now, I'll be taking my drugs, but I may not show you guys because I look like a baby that they're giving drugs. So I don't want to embarrass myself. So I'll quickly remove that part. I'll remove that part. I'm not going to show you guys. So I usually take warm water to take my drugs. You understand? Because if I use cold water, like normal room temperature water, I feel like I want to throw up or something. So since I've discovered this trick of using warm water, you understand, or tea, which is also whether hot or warm, to take myself, I feel much better that way. So after taking my tea right now with a slice of bread, which I've already started eating, and hopefully I'll finish it, because yesterday I wasn't able to finish a slice, but today, from the way things is going, I think I'll be able to finish this. Yeah, because I need to, so that the drugs can work effectively. Yeah, so they can work effectively. Let there be a little something in my stomach. So that is it, guys. So after this, I'll be taking my drugs. Like I said, I'm not going to show the part I'm taking my drugs because I'll look like a baby. Like, oh no. I'm not going to show that, but believe me, after taking my tea right now, that is the next thing that I will do. Yeah, so that is the next thing that I'm going to do. So guys, I'm done taking my tea, and I've taken my drugs as well. So I think this is going to be the end of this video. I do not really have much to do on this video. Yeah, I don't have really much. It's just that I just wanted to take you guys on a journey on how I'm recovering so quickly. Yeah, how better I am. Yeah, I'm better, much more better than yesterday, 2 days ago, and stuff. And I think I'm enjoying it. Like, of course I am. I'm enjoying it. Like, I'm getting my body back. And it feels so exciting. Like, I'm happy because there are some things I did today that I wasn't able to do like past few days. So I'm very happy that I'm recovering, I'm strong, I can talk, and even as I'm interacting, I'm speaking, I'm making this video, more energy is coming to me. Yeah, so guys, hopefully by Friday I'm gonna be dropping a video. Yeah, because the Real Housewife of Lagos is back. Like, the reunion is back. Yes, there's a trailer about it, and it's coming out this Friday, so I'm going to make a review about it. Guys, I know you can't wait to watch it, because man, from what I saw is a banger. From what I saw, like, the buzzbuzz that is in the reunion is even bigger than the one in the show. Like, it's bigger than the one in the show. So as I saw it, like, I saw it yesterday. Yeah, yesterday when I was, yeah, yesterday, at least yesterday, I was able to go through my phone, watch some videos. Yeah, so it was banger. So hopefully by Thursday, because I believe for the end of today and tomorrow, I'll be very strong. Yeah, so I'll make a review about it, so be expecting the original Chanel will come back. I think this is the twins now. This is the twins. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.